The whole concept or notion of work will fundamentally change in the next 5 years. What if we truly embraced the sharing economy and invited people from all sectors to co-author people practices for the future of work? CEOs around the world are starting to fear what the future of work was, and I'm here to say that the future of work is now. It's actually not that scary. AI and exponential technologies will actually make our world a more human place than it is today. The foreseeable future is about how humans and AI can naturally and productively coexist. When you take a connected generation, add in technology and a sharing economy, we are going to change the world. Sadly, most companies today are either impeded or in denial to how fast this world is changing. The future is now. Are you ready?